100 synonyms of most commonly used words starting with letter G. Gather. Synonyms are collect, accumulate, assemble. Example sentence. She gathered all her friends for a surprise party. Generous. Synonyms are benevolent, charitable, magnanimous. Example sentence. He was generous enough to donate half of his earnings to charity. Genuine. Synonyms are authentic, real, legitimate. Example sentence. His smile was so genuine, it made everyone around him feel happy. Glad. Synonyms are pleased, delighted, ecstatic. Example sentence. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well in your new job. Goal. Synonyms are objective, aim, target. Example sentence. His ultimate goal was to become a successful businessman. Good. Synonyms are great, excellent, superb. Example sentence. The food at the new restaurant was really good. Graceful. Synonyms are elegant, refined, polished. Example sentence. She danced gracefully across the stage. Grateful. Synonyms are thankful, appreciative, obliged. Example sentence. I'm grateful for your help with my project. Great. Synonyms are superb, fantastic, amazing. Example sentence. The view from the top of the mountain was great. Greet. Synonyms are welcome, meet, embrace. Example sentence. I went to the airport to greet my friend who was arriving from overseas. Gray. Synonyms are ashen, charcoal, smoky. Example sentence. The gray clouds signaled the arrival of a storm. Grin. Synonyms are smile, beam, laugh. Example sentence. He couldn't help but grin when he saw his favorite dessert on the menu. Groove. Synonyms are rut, trench, furrow. Example sentence. The wheels of the cart had created deep grooves in the muddy path. Grow. Synonyms are expand, develop, flourish. Example sentence. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Guarantee. Synonyms are assure, promise, pledge. Example sentence. The company's guarantee is that their products will last a lifetime. Guest. Synonyms are visitor, lodger, tenant. Example sentence. Our guest arrived early for dinner. Guide. Synonyms are direct, led, escort. Example sentence. The tour guide showed us around the ancient ruins. Guilty. Synonyms are culpable, blameworthy, responsible. Example sentence. He felt guilty for breaking his mother's favorite vase. Guts. Synonyms are courage, bravery, fortitude. Example sentence. It takes a lot of guts to climb a tall mountain. Gain. Synonyms are acquire, obtain, attain. Example sentence. She worked hard to gain the respect of her colleagues. Gamble. Synonyms are bet, wager, risk. Example sentence. He decided to gamble all his money on a horse race. Gap. Synonyms are opening, space, interval. Example sentence. There was a small gap in the fence that the cat managed to squeeze through. Gasp. Synonyms are pant, wheeze, huff. Example sentence. She gasped for air after running a mile. Gather. Synonyms are harvest, reap, pick. Example sentence. The farmers gathered the ripe fruits from the orchard. Genuine. Synonyms are authentic, real, legitimate. Example sentence. His smile was so genuine, it made everyone around him feel happy. Geography. Synonyms are topography, geology, cartography. Example sentence. Studying geography helps us understand the natural and cultural features of the earth. Gesture. Synonyms are sign, motion, action. Example sentence. She made a gesture with her hand to indicate that she was ready to leave. Giant. Synonyms are colossal, enormous, massive. Example sentence. The elephant was a giant animal, towering over everything else in the forest. Gift. Synonyms are present, donation, offering. Example sentence. She received a gift from her friend on her birthday. Gigantic. Synonyms are huge, immense, monumental. Example sentence. The castle was a gigantic structure that took years to build. Glad. Synonyms are pleased, delighted, ecstatic. Example sentence. I'm glad to hear that you're doing well in your new job. Glance. Synonyms are glimpse, peek, look. Example sentence. He took a quick glance at his watch to check the time. Glare. Synonyms are glow, shine, beam. Example sentence. The sun's glare was too bright to look at directly. Glass. Synonyms are crystal, pane, window. Example sentence. She accidentally dropped the glass on the floor and it shattered into a million pieces. Glitter. Synonyms are sparkle, shine, gleam. Example sentence. The jewelry was adorned with diamonds that glittered in the light. Global. Synonyms are worldwide, international, universal. Example sentence. The company has a global presence, with offices in every major city around the world. Glory. Synonyms are fame, honor, pride. Example sentence. She basked in the glory of winning the championship trophy. Glossy. Synonyms are shiny, lustrous, polished. Example sentence. The brochure had a glossy finish that made the colors stand out. Glowing. Synonyms are radiant, beaming, bright. Example sentence. The sunset was a glowing orange color that illuminated the sky. Glue. Synonyms are adhesive, bond, stick. Example sentence. She used glue to attach the pieces of paper together. Go. Synonyms are travel, move, proceed. Example sentence. We're planning to go on a road trip this weekend. God. Synonyms are deity, divine, creator. Example sentence. Many people believe in God as the all-powerful, omnipotent being. Gold. Synonyms are yellow, aurum, bullion. Example sentence. She wore a gold necklace that was passed down from her grandmother. Good. Synonyms are great, excellent, superb. Example sentence. The food at the new restaurant was really good. Goodbye. Synonyms are farewell, adieu, adios. Example sentence. I said goodbye to my friends as I left the party. Goosebumps. Synonyms are chills, shivers, shudders. Example sentence. The cold wind gave me goosebumps all over my skin. Gorgeous. Synonyms are stunning, beautiful, magnificent. Example sentence. The model wore a gorgeous dress that took everyone's breath away. Gospel. Synonyms are doctrine, teaching, message. Example sentence. The gospel is the central message of Christianity, emphasizing love and redemption. Gourmet. Synonyms are culinary, epicurean, delicacy. Example sentence. The gourmet restaurant served dishes made from the freshest ingredients and spices. Government. Synonyms are administration, regime, authority. Example sentence. The government of the country implemented a new policy to improve the economy. Grace. Synonyms are elegance, charm, poise. Example sentence. The ballet dancer moved with grace and precision on stage. Gradual. Synonyms are slow, steady, progressive. Example sentence. The flowers bloomed gradually over the course of several weeks. Graduate. Synonyms are alumnus, diplomate, recipient. Example sentence. She graduated from university with a degree in business management. Grain. Synonyms are seed, cereal, corn. Example sentence. The farmer grew a variety of grains on his land, including wheat and rice. Grand. Synonyms are majestic, splendid, impressive. Example sentence. The Grand Castle was built in the 16th century and still stands today. Grasp. Synonyms are grip, seize, hold. Example sentence. She tried to grasp the slippery fish with her hands, but it kept slipping away. Grateful. Synonyms are thankful, appreciative, obliged. Example sentence. I'm grateful for your help with my project. Gratitude. Synonyms are thankfulness, appreciation, recognition. Example sentence. She expressed her gratitude to her parents for supporting her throughout her life. Grave. Synonyms are serious, solemn, somber. Example sentence. The news of the accident was a grave reminder of the dangers of driving. Gray. Synonyms are ashen, charcoal, smoky. Example sentence. The gray clouds signaled the arrival of a storm. Greed. Synonyms are avarice, covetousness, rapacity. Example sentence. His greed for money led him to make unethical decisions in his business. Green. Synonyms are emerald, jade, olive. Example sentence. The leaves on the tree were a vibrant shade of green. Greet. Synonyms are welcome, meet, embrace. Example sentence. I went to the airport to greet my friend who was arriving from overseas. Grief. Synonyms are sorrow, sadness, misery. Example sentence. She felt a deep sense of grief after losing her beloved pet. Grill. Synonyms are broil, barbecue, roast. Example sentence. They decided to grill burgers for dinner in the backyard. Grimace. Synonyms are frown, scowl, sneer. Example sentence. He made a grimace when he tasted the bitter medicine. Grin. Synonyms are smile, beam, laugh. Example sentence. He couldn't help but grin when he saw his favorite dessert on the menu. Grip. Synonyms are grasp, hold, clasp. Example sentence. She tightened her grip on the steering wheel as she drove through the storm. Groove. Synonyms are rut, trench, furrow. Example sentence. The wheels of the cart had created deep grooves in the muddy path. Gross. Synonyms are total, complete, whole. Example sentence. The gross sales of the company had increased by 20% over the past year. Ground. Synonyms are earth, soil, land. Example sentence. The children played in the muddy ground after the rain stopped. Group. Synonyms are team, gang, crowd. Example sentence. She joined a group of volunteers who were working on a community project. Grow. Synonyms are expand, develop, flourish. Example sentence. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Grudge. Synonyms are resentment, animosity, bitterness. Example sentence. He held a grudge against his ex-girlfriend for breaking his heart. Guarantee. Synonyms are assure, promise, pledge. Example sentence. The company's guarantee is that their products will last a lifetime. Guard. Synonyms are protect, defend, secure. Example sentence. The security guard kept watch over the entrance to the building. Guess. Synonyms are estimate, conjecture, suppose. Example sentence. I can only guess how much it will cost to repair the car. Guide. Synonyms are direct, lead, escort. Example sentence. The tour guide showed us around the ancient ruins. Guilt. Synonyms are remorse, regret, shame. Example sentence. She felt a deep sense of guilt for lying to her parents. Guitar. Synonyms are acoustic, electric, bass. Example sentence. He played a beautiful melody on his guitar. Gulf. Synonyms are bay, inlet, cove. Example sentence. The gulf between the two political parties seemed to be growing wider. Gulp. Synonyms are swallow, chug, drink. Example sentence. He took a gulp of water to quench his thirst. Gun. Synonyms are firearm, weapon, pistol. Example sentence. The police officer drew his gun to stop the thief. Gust. Synonyms are blast, wind, breeze. Example sentence. The gust of wind blew his hat off his head. Gut. Synonyms are intestine, bowel, stomach. Example sentence. He had a gut feeling that something was wrong. Gym. Synonyms are fitness center, workout room, health club. Example sentence. She went to the gym to work out and stay in shape. Gypsy. Synonyms are nomad, traveler, wanderer. Example sentence. The gypsy caravan traveled from town to town, selling handmade goods. Gadgets. Synonyms are devices, tools, machines. Example sentence. The latest gadgets on the market include smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Gainful. Synonyms are profitable, beneficial, lucrative. Example sentence. He found a gainful employment opportunity that offered a good salary and benefits. Galvanize. Synonyms are motivate, inspire, energize. Example sentence. The coach's pep talk galvanized the team to win the championship game. Gamut. Synonyms are range, spectrum, scope. Example sentence. The film covered the gamut of human emotions, from joy to sorrow. Gargantuan. Synonyms are huge, immense, colossal. Example sentence. The skyscraper was a gargantuan structure that seemed to touch the clouds. Gauche. Synonyms are awkward, clumsy, ungraceful. Example sentence. His gauche attempt at flirting made her feel uncomfortable. Gawk. Synonyms are stare, ogle, gape. Example sentence. He couldn't help but gawk at the stunning beauty of the sunset. Gel. Synonyms are jelly, cream, paste. Example sentence. She used a gel to style her hair into a sleek and shiny look. Gem. Synonyms are jewel, precious stone, diamond. Example sentence. The crown was adorned with gems and diamonds that sparkled in the light. General. Synonyms are overall, common, universal. Example sentence. The general consensus was that the project needed more funding to be successful. Generate. Synonyms are create, produce, develop. Example sentence. The company used a new technology to generate electricity from solar panels. Genesis. Synonyms are origin, beginning, start. Example sentence. The genesis of the universe is still a mystery that scientists are trying to unravel. Genius. Synonyms are brilliance, intelligence, talent. Example sentence. Leonardo da Vinci was a genius in many fields, including art, science, and engineering.